I'm gonna show you how to make your PC run faster or how to speed up your computer. At first, go to search box and type here RUN, that is run, and hit enter. Write here %sign temp and then again %sign and press enter. Here you can see random files that your computer doesn't need and that taking too many spaces. So press Ctrl A to select them and delete all. Then again go to search box and type here run and press enter. Then write here now only temp temp. Then press OK. Here you can also see so many junk files that you doesn't need. So again press Ctrl A to select them and delete all. Now again you have to go search box and write run and press enter. Then write here PREFETCH preface, then press OK. Ctrl A to select them and delete all. The next step, you have to go to the search box and write here disk space cleanup, cleanup. Press enter. Now choose free up this space by deleting unnecessary files. Press OK. It will take a few times to complete, so wait. Now select all the boxes here. Then press OK. Delete files. Then select this PC and click right button. Go to properties. Then advanced system settings. Here the performance and go to settings and select adjust for best performance. Then apply it and press OK. OK. It will help you to speed up your computer. That's it. Now your laptop runs faster than before. If you think this is helpful, please like, comment.